Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming to this presentation. It's an honor to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ririn Fitria Dewi and I am from the Morning F Management class. The title of my presentation today is The 4 Basic Functions of Management. The purpose of this presentation is, first, to know what are the basic functions of management and the audience can apply it in their daily life. Talking about management. What is the management? Management comes from the French word management, which means the art of managing and managing. While universally, management is defined as a cooperative process between individuals and groups who are responsible for economic goals through the company operating principles. Every organization, whatever, new or old, small or large, requires certain methods, procedures, and plans to function efficiently. For this to happen, they must develop and implement. According to the title, there are 4 basic management functions that can help an organization develop, including number 1, planning, number 2, organizing, number 3, directing or leading, and number 4, controlling. Let's discuss its function separately. First one is planning. Planning is an action without end. There are external factors that continuously affect a company, both positively and negatively. Depending on the circumstances, the company may have to change its action in relation to certain objectives. This kind of preparation or arrangement is known as strategic planning. In strategic planning, management analyzes the internal and external factors which can affect the company, its goals and objectives. One of the main strategic planning tools is the use of SWOT. SWOT analysis, a process that identifies the strengths, weaknesses of the organization, identifies areas of opportunity, and prevents threats from internal and external environmental factors. Planning function activities. Some of the planning activities in the management function are: number 1, several strategies or preparation are needed to be implemented during a crisis that affect a company. Number 2, determine the company's goals and targets. Number 3, develop a strategy to achieve it. Number 4, determine the various resources that might be needed. And number 5, determine the standard of success during the process of achieving these goals. Number 2, organizing. Organizing according to experts who focus on managing the physical and human resources that the company has in order to realize the planned goals. Usually, the organizing function is used to group all existing tools, tasks, people, and authorities for the purpose of fulfilling the plan. Organization function activities. Some of the organizing activities in the management function are: number 1, set all its resources in advance to follow the course of action. Number 2, managers should look at the requirement of different divisions or departments. Number 3, ensure staff harmonization. Number 4, find out the best way to handle important tasks and reduce unnecessary company expenses. And number 5, determine the division of labor according to need. Directing or leading. Directing or leading function helps management control and oversee staff actions. It also enables them to provide assistance to employees by guiding them in the right direction to achieve its company goals and also achieve their personal or career goals, which can be supported by motivation, communication, departmental dynamics, and departmental leadership. Directing or leading function activities. Some of the directing or leading activities in the management function are: number 1, Help management control and oversee staff action. Number 2, provide assistance to employees by guiding them in the right direction. And number 3, achieve company goals. Number 4, controlling. Included in controlling is setting performance standards, which are in line with company goals. It also involves evaluating and reporting on actual job performance. When these points are studied by management, it is necessary to compare the two. The supervisory function aims to check whether the assigned tasks have been carried out on time and according to standards. Controlling function activities. Some of the controlling activities in the management function are: number 1, set performance standards. Number 2, evaluate the report actual job performance. And number 3, check that the assigned tasks are carried out on time and according to the standards set by the quality department. Thank you for listening. I hope what I share is useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.